Hello.
Hi, how are you?
It's God.
Yeah,
Thank you. How are you?
yeah, good.
Is it day not there?
Yeah, it's daytime here. Yeah, it's
Where
a
are you
daytime.
from?
I'm from Bangladesh. You?
Okay. What time is it?
It's 7:25 a.m.
Oh wow. It's 25 past 1 in the morning here.
Yeah, so I would like to say a good evening. I think oh no, oh sorry, it's deep night there. I know the UK British time. I know it's deep night.
Yeah.
I think 5 hour difference. You are behind of my time. 5 hour difference.
Yeah.
It's well,
Yeah.
you are still wake up. What is why you are still up?
Saturday and
Uh, yeah,
uh-huh.
good. Oh, may I join with
I like
you?
breakfast.
May I join with you?
Sorry. Of
May I
course you
join?
can. What?
Oh, good. Really? So give me a glass of drinks.
One. Sorry, we
Yeah,
ran out.
I want one. Oh, you're so funny.
You can have.
Yeah, I won't stay away from my internet because I'm learning English. I need to carry on it is. I'm really desperate to get the completely accent of British. So I need to talk to the people.
The birds in your background.
Oh, the birds, lots of birds here, just around of my. I'm just showing you. A sparrow bird. It's a little bird. Okay, they live around of my around of my building, and they are just uh, making the sound. I like to just to see the birds, dog, and animals like that. Okay, so I said nobody can touch or look stare eyes on my birds into my yard. No way. I love birds. I love the people. I love the animals.